Good morning everyone. I am Shektan of class 10 from Greater Noida World School, and this is my project IntelliLift Bridge. It is capable of detecting rising water levels and adjust the height of the bridge accordingly, ensuring a safe passage for the pedestrians and vehicles while minimizing disruptions. In certain states of India such as Tamil Nadu, these areas are very prone to floods, and we know that floods can cause damage to infrastructure and also cost a human life. And that's where this bridge comes in. It also has many features such as the traffic lights, such as the LEDs, which act as the traffic lights, which are red, yellow and green, which indicate the people when to stop, wait and go. Also, there are the barricading servo motors, which act as the barricades, which add an extra layer of safety to the bridge. There is also an LCD display, which displays the general instructions to the people when the bridge is being lifted up and when it is back to the normal. There is also a 7-segment display, which displays how many cars are still there on the bridge. Now let me show you the working of this project. Let us assume this as the rising water level, and this here is the ultrasonic sensor, which detects the rising water levels. Now here, ultrasonic sensor detects the rising water levels. Now the traffic lights change from red to yellow and the barricading servo motors close. And now it turns back to red and the bridge is being lifted up. Again, the traffic lights change from red to yellow and yellow to green. This indicates that vehicles are free to pass by it, and barricading servo motors rotate again to open it. Now vehicles are free to pass by from the bridge. Now, when the rising water levels come back to normal, the traffic lights again change from red to yellow and the barricading servo motors close. And it again turns back to red and the bridge goes back to normal. And then the same goes with the vice versa, and the servo motors open again. And now the vehicles are free to pass by. But there is also an added safety to this bridge. These here are the IR sensors, which detect or sense the vehicles which have been passing from the bridge. For example, let us assume this as a vehicle. Now as you can see, the 7-segment display shows that there is one car on the bridge. Now what happens if the rising water levels come again? The ultrasonic sensor detects the levels, but now the bridge will not lift up. The barricading of entry gets closed, but the bridge will not lift up and the barricade of exit is still open, which indicates that the car can still move from the bridge. Now, when the car moves out of the bridge, there is also an IR sensor which detects the car has been exited, and it shows that there are 0 cars, which means there are no cars on the bridge, and the bridge will again lift up. It ensures a safety for the passengers. And again the same goes when the rising water levels come back to normal, the bridge will again fall back to its normal position. In the future, we can add IoT sensors and the AI cameras, which can detect even more with accuracy for the vehicles and the pedestrians. And this is my project.